been seeing so many videos on recommendations or what's in my cart or what I'm going to buy at the Sephora sale and or what I bought at the Sephora sale, and I thought I would jump onto the train and also do a video. I just wanted to share what I got and kind of why I got it. If you are interested in knowing what I got from the Sephora sale so far, it's still going on. I believe it's until like November 2nd. Let me be safe. Let me be sure, because I don't want to lie to you. And it's going to go up until November 7th. If you are someone like me who's obsessed with knowing what other people got, then I hope you would stay tuned and keep watching. I think I'm just going to do it like on whatever order it is on here. I think I'm going to stay right here. The first thing I'm going to read off that I got is the Glow Recipe Watermelon. I think it's like the Glow Drops. I got the serum and it's good so far that I've used it. I don't think it's out of this world. I'm super oily, and so I like that as like part of my everyday makeup routine, just to make myself look a little more glowy. I don't think I would use it when I'm doing like a matte foundation or like my regular kind of stay all day routine. The other thing that I got that I'm super excited about is the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Medium. So it's basically her foundation. I felt like I had a really hard time getting matched, and I decided to just go with a foundation that kind of was more olivey and neutral for my skin tone. All the other ones that were kind of like in the same realm of what my skin tone would be were very warm, and I don't like looking too warm, especially when I'm the shade that I am right now. I picked up a sunscreen from Belief, which I had no idea, but I think it's new. I don't think it's maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I don't know if it's been around for a while. The Aqua Bomb sunscreen with SPF 50, and I am like obsessed with like the Aqua Bomb moisturizer. So far, I've really enjoyed like how it feels on my skin, especially underneath makeup. And I've tried a lot of sunscreens that are that show like no white cast, or basically like are formulated to be like really well worn with makeup. And so far this is probably the number one that I'm really enjoying. Probably the number one thing that I purchased that I absolutely probably did not need, but I just wanted, is the body serum with hyaluronic acid, has niacinamide and just ceramide. Is by I can never pronounce it, and I don't know how to pronounce it actually. Is it Necessaire? I saw that it had really good reviews, and then I am pregnant, so I've been trying to moisturize my belly and my body more than I would normally, which is never. Other than the kind of VIB percentages that are going on, anything you buy from the Sephora collection itself has 30% off. So I decided to take advantage and get one of the Sephora collection blushes. The color that I got is Shame on You, and it's like a kind of like a peachy pink. I am so happy that I bought the Haus PhD Hybrid Lip Oil. Two reasons why I'm really happy I got it. One is the fact that it's out of stock now, so I got lucky. And the other reason is just, it surprised me. I really didn't think it was going to be that great. I've tried lip oils before, and I feel like a lot of them are sticky, or they just have like this weird residue once they've dried down. I think it's nice. My next purchase is definitely more of a taking advantage of the sale situation. It's by Living Proof, and I really like it. I was very fortunate enough to receive a little bit of PR from them. I want to say a few months ago, and I gave one of the bottles to my friend, and I kind of wish I didn't, because I'm like, dang it. I had to restock up on it because I love it. It's my favorite dry shampoo. K18. I feel like I started hearing about K18 like out of nowhere. One of the girls at Sephora was really like, how do I say, passionate about it. So I fell into the passion with her, and that doesn't sound right. I believed in her passion of it, so I decided to get the K18 Clarifying Detox Shampoo. So I'm excited. I get a lot of dandruff, but I'm starting to think that it's not really dandruff, it's just buildup from, one, using dry shampoo, but also, like, I love, like, I'm hairsprayed right now. I love using hairspray on my slick buns, and I don't really do anything else to my hair, so I'm excited to see if it makes a difference or not. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest. I did not need these organic cotton pads, like, at all. I usually just buy like a big pack from like Target. It lasts me so long, and I like getting those because I can put some in my makeup kit as well. But I saw they were $4.50 and there was 50 of them. And since Sephora collection was 30% off, I was like, why not? And I threw them in my bag, and I got them. The next two that I'm going to share with you, I decided to get the mini size just because, one, on sale, 20% off, but two, because I wasn't 100% confident in purchasing them. The first thing that I got in a mini size was the Fresh Mini Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Toner. It's been really hard to, I guess, like, navigate and figure out like what's gonna work with my skin for my acne right now. Being pregnant, you're not supposed to use like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, kind of like anything like retinol based, AHAs, BHAs. Like, I have to really stay away from those things, and obviously while I'm pregnant I'm not taking birth control. A lot of my acne is hormonal, and it's been a little bit of a struggle. And of course, again, being obsessed with hair stuff, I decided to get the mini Moroccan oil treatment. I think I got the, yeah, I just got like the standard one. I guess there's two. There's like just the original Moroccan oil one, and then there's like a light. But it worked really well with doing my hair and styling it. I have frizzy hair because I have damaged curly hair. How about that? And I feel like it worked really well. I've only really used the Limitless mascara from Ilia, but I decided to try one of their powder eyeshadow tints that they have. Their liquid formula. I decided to go with the color Baroque, which is like a deep burgundy shade, since it's gonna be fall, or we're into fall now. The next thing on my list is the Refi, I think it's Refi, Lip Sculpt Liner and Setter. I really like the color Blush, which is the one that I bought. And it's 20% off, so why? I think all of us are obsessed with the Laneige lip mask, but I decided to try the Lip Glowy Balm, and I really like the texture of it. I wasn't sure. I'm really picky when it comes to like chapsticks or like anything hydrating for your lips, and so far I really like it. It was $17, so 17 plus 20% off. It's pretty cool. The next thing I picked up was basically like a restock. It was the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Obsessed. I love Milk Makeup too, so I've heard like there's dupes for it and all these things, but I don't know. I feel like I am very loyal to Milk in the aspect of, even if there is a dupe, I feel like I just love that formula so much that I'm just gonna splurge and get it, especially with the 20% off sale. This next one is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this was a impulsive kind of purchase, but I also did need a new contour bronzer type of thing. So the Hollywood Contour Wand in Fair Medium was in stock. I threw that in my bag right away because I've been wanting to try it, and the 20% off. I couldn't help but get it. I ended up getting the Dry Bar Self Grip Rollers. I haven't tried them yet, but I think for $12 and then the 20% off, I figured why not. My hair's pretty thin, so I probably still have to use like hair clips on them, but I don't know. We'll see. Again, obsessed with hair stuff. I got the pre-wash scalp oil. I haven't used it yet, but as far as like other scalp oils that I've been looking at. I've heard pretty good things about this one and I've read good reviews on it. So again, 20% off, I might as well. I got a sample size of this product maybe 2 years ago. I decided to take advantage of the 20% off and buy the full size. I know, very bougie. I know earlier I mentioned kind of dealing with my acne and the pregnancy, so I was like researching, and there's someone on YouTube that I really like watching. I want to say her name is Kenna. I found her because she is a biochemist and I believe she works in a cosmetic lab. She has a video on basically items that she recommends during pregnancy, and one of the ones that she mentioned was from The Ordinary, and it was I think it's azelaic acid, and apparently it's pregnancy safe, and so I've been using that. I feel like it's helping with like the texture for sure, but I know I'm still going to break out, but at least the aftermath of caring for my skin to eventually get it to look better is going to help with that cream and moisturizer. So another product that I think of as just a restock is the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter in Clear. I want to say this is literally the only gel brow thing, literally you name it, that actually like makes my brow hairs stick in place. Last but not least, I had to restock on the Freck Beauty Faux Freckle Maker. Even though I have freckles, sometimes I like to accentuate them, and I think Freck is the perfect product to do that, so I took advantage of the 20% from the sale, and I got the extra large one. So that is essentially everything that I got. I don't want to say that I'm not going to buy more things, because I'm sure there's going to be something that either gets a lot of hype, or maybe myself that I'm like, hey, like I actually am running out of this, let me get a new one. But I probably shouldn't buy more. I appreciate every single one of you for watching. I am so close to 500, which is my goal. By the end of this year, I really want to hit 500 subscribers, because 500 is halfway to 1,000. I'll try to link everything in the description below. And yeah, let me know if you want to see a review on anything, or if you want to see particular makeup looks. I know we're heading into fall, so I love more deep colors. So yeah, why am I out of breath? It's because I'm pregnant. Anywho, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.